In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Webflow. Whether you're giving your design a creative spin or just want to display an image from a different perspective, flipping an image in Webflow is an easy and straightforward process. In just a few minutes, I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First, you'll need to access the Webflow platform. Head over to your preferred search engine and type in Webflow. Once the search results appear, click on the link to log in or sign up for an account if you haven't done so already. If you're new to Webflow, signing up is quick and intuitive. Just follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through the registration process, or if you're an existing user, enter your login credentials to proceed. With access to Webflow's designer, the next step is to select the image you wish to flip. Navigate to your project within Webflow and open the designer view. Here, browse through your elements to locate the specific image you want to modify. Once you've found it, a simple click will select the image for editing. Now, let's move to the essential part of the Webflow interface for this task, the Style panel, which is located on the right side of the designer. The Style panel is your hub for any modifications you'd like to apply to the elements in your design. It's filled with various styling options, but for our task, scroll down the panel until you reach the section labeled Effects. In the Effects section, you'll notice a plus button marked with a small plus sign, plus. Click this to add a new transform to your selected image. This addition opens up a list of transform options, conveniently placing many powerful tools at your disposal. Among these options, select Rotate. This is your key action. Choosing Rotate allows you to implement the flip effect on the image. Once Rotate is selected, you can adjust the image's orientation by tweaking the rotation value directly within the Effects section. Depending on the effect you're aiming for, whether a complete flip or just a slight rotational adjustment, you have the flexibility to set these values to your liking. Additionally, Webflow allows layering of transforms, so feel free to add other transformations as needed to achieve your desired visual outcome. And there you have it. Flipping an image in Webflow is a quick process that enhances your creative projects with just a few clicks. By following these steps, you can easily manipulate your images in the designer to match your creative vision. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!